Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jeremy from Nisswa Marine, and we are here today to do a product feature special for you. We are going to highlight and show you all the cool features of this Skylon SkyLock board rack upgrade. It's officially called the horizontal SkyLock board rack, and we're going to show you what that all means here on this product feature here at Nisswa Marine. Let's get into it without further ado. Like any other board rack, we got our boards in here. We're able to put a skim style board, a surf style board in this board rack. This is totally a strapless, bungee-less board rack, so you're not dealing with bungees. You have a nice, secure fit in here. As you can see, any size of board this will take. This is on a tension tight clamp here, so we can just push this button, slide this out, and we're ready to take our boards out. Hop over to the restaurant after a day of surfing or boarding, and we want to go get some lunch, and you're a little bit worried about your expensive equipment on here. We can actually put a small little padlock on here. That way nobody can quickly come by the dock and take this out. So a nice security feature right here. You're going to notice it's got a really nice look. It's got this hard rubber coated padding in here. It's going to take care of your board. When you're going across the lake, the board is nice and secure in here, so it's not going to rattle around on pieces of billet or aluminum. So very, very safe and secure there. Another cool thing is they've integrated these two little hooks here, you're going to notice. And after you are done with a session or a set, we can just hang this right there, put your life jacket out there, and let it drip dry either here or just kind of outside here if you're just chilling, hanging out in the boat. You got your board rack dryer right there. So a lot of cool features. We have this product here at Nisswa Marine. We have it on a couple boats, on a couple MasterCrafts. You can get this on MasterCraft, Supra, Moomba, and many other brands as well out in the market. So a really neat product. It starts at about $27.50. To get some more information, our parts and service will be available to take orders if you'd like to add it onto your boat. We're at 218-963-2292. You've been watching a product feature special here at Nisswa Marine. Thanks for tuning in.